I'm not sleeping very well. My concentration gone to hell. I've fallen under some ancient spell. Must be the gypsy in you. If you're not looking for a game.
So, yeah, it's gotten a bit tougher.
Check on the
A
map.
lot more uphill.
5k to go. So we're getting there. This is cool around here. Like a little secret woods. It's now the Wednesday after BOOMTOWN and the first day of the long walk home. So we had 2 days packing up all the bars and that, and then I set off this morning. It's just gone 9 o'clock, and to be honest, I'm not feeling that good. It's been a pretty intense 10 days down there, but hey ho. We made the plan, so we've got to stick to it. So I've been going about 15 minutes straight off into the countryside, down a few paths. It's been a bit up and down already, but yeah, as you can see, I'm breathing pretty heavily. So backpack, I've taken everything out of it I can. Swapped my tents over. Obviously I've got my hammock with me, but it's pretty heavy. All I've got is tent, cook stuff, one change of clothes, just some chargers and stuff, and that's about it, and a couple of litres of water. But yeah, God, it's heavy. This backpack is not really made for hiking, but that's enough moaning. Let's get on with it. I'm looking forward having a few days out in the countryside, clear my head, and yeah, hopefully make it all the way back to South London. We'll see how it goes. I'm up for changing plans as always. So, mission today. I've got 15 kilometres to do, so not too bad, 10 miles. But obviously with pack, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, all right. I'm going to stop rabbiting on, and yeah, let's do some hiking. That's a nice place to stop it. Look at that. All right. Okay. Let's do it. It's a long, long path. Alright, that's my first signpost. Apparently Windsor's 53 miles away. Kind of where I'm going, but GPS says go down this one. So, first fork in the road, taking me away. Alright, let's go. Right, I'm about an hour in. I think I didn't actually check my exact start time, but yeah, looking on the maps, it looks like I've done about 4 kilometres, which seems too much to me. I think I'm not reading it right, because I was thinking about 15 kilometres a day. I reckon it was going to be about 6 hours with the speed with the pack on. I mean, I'm a pretty quick walker. I keep having to check my speed just to slow down a bit, otherwise I'm just going to burn myself out the first day. But I seem to be making good time. What I have got is I've got a stop in Elsford or somewhere, I can't remember what it's called, which is bang on halfway, because I need to try and pick up a couple of bits. I forgot, I need somewhere to store my phone. Might try and get a couple of walking sticks or something. But yeah, that's bang on halfway, so I'll know more precisely what kind of time I'm doing then. But it's been all right, you know. It's been nice. It's been pretty wooded. My shoulders hurt. That's the main thing. Crossroads. Hold on. Oh, I'm pretty sure I'm straight on. I've got to do a right at some point. But I think it comes at a dead end. But yeah, my legs feel okay. But yeah, it's my shoulders. This pack is not designed for hiking. It's just my backpacking pack. But yeah, we seem to be doing all right. But I don't want to get too optimistic. But all right. But it is a lovely day for a stroll. Which is bang on halfway, that's 7.5 kilometers, 5 miles. It's only 10 to 11, so I think I've been going about an hour and a half, so I'm making good time. A lot quicker than I thought. I thought it was going to be about 2.5 hours to here. Wasn't really basing that on anything. I'm just picking numbers out of the air, but yeah, that's pretty good. So yeah, halfway. It's early still. So yeah, just up for a coffee. Picked up some food. I don't think I hit any other towns now until I get to my hotel tonight. So, but yeah, happy with that. Surprisingly easy, but the weather's been lovely. It's been nice and cool, pretty flat. I think I've got a few hills to navigate in the second part of the journey. But yeah, surprisingly good. So yeah, looks like I'm back in London in a couple of days. Okay, but yeah, all right. I'm going to sit down, drink my coffee, and crack on. Lovely. Okay. I was cutting through a golf course. I'm not quite sure where I am now. It's all turned a bit barren. Don't know if this is the right way or not. I'll get the maps out. Whoa, all right. Yep, on the right track. The elevation has increased. This is the first proper climb. Definitely, I'm sweating a little bit now. Onwards and upwards. Definitely taking the wrong turn. I can't get the GPS up on my maps. I've got a feeling I just need to sort of head down again. Always too stubborn to turn around, but just need to be down on the right, I think. Oh, there's a fence there. All right, reverse, turn round, find the path again. Okay, this is where I went wrong. I went left, right up there. I think it's just in my nature to take the path that looks more dodgy. So yeah, I should have just stuck to the proper trail. But it's not too bad, about 2.5 hours in. First mistake. It's different from the bike packing because obviously I've got my GPS on my handlebars at the bike packing. You still go wrong, but you're just following the dotted line. I've just got the map on my phone now. And I just keep checking it every 15-20 minutes, try and memorise a little bit, and then just head on. So yeah, first mistake, but only about 6 or 7 minutes, so not too bad. All right, onwards. Wow, really out in the sticks now. I was just about to say I haven't seen anyone for ages, and then, okay. Hello, Carls. How are we doing? Come and say hello. Yeah, nice to have a bit of company. Just sat down for a little break. Just realised I haven't had any water since I started. It's strapped to the back of my pack. So yeah, it's gotten a bit tougher, a lot more uphill, but yeah, nice and peaceful. I must admit, when I woke up this morning, I was dreading setting off. I wasn't feeling very good, but the thought of it is always worse than when you start doing it, because as soon as I set off, it's been lovely. But yeah, we're going to sit here for 10 minutes, rehydrate, chill out, look at the view, and then we'll crack on. All right. So I took a bit of time to check out the maps while I was sitting down chilling out, and I've made a little error. So I was thinking, well, I was sure I have 15 kilometers to do today, So I just checked and I'm 12 in, so I was like, sweet, 3 kilometres left. And then looking closer on the maps, I was nowhere near. So I've actually got 22.8 kilometres to do today, which puts me just over halfway. I don't know how I've got that wrong. I think maybe I was looking on Google Maps at the drive-in distance or something. So yeah, I'm not close to my end destination, which has been a bit of a kick in the teeth psychologically, because I was thinking I was making good time. So yeah, there's a long way to go. So just keep cracking on, I guess. This path looks a bit overgrown. Where am I going? Right, let's concentrate. All right, let's do it. All right, so since the revelation that I'm only halfway, everything's got a bit tougher. My knee started twinging. I was getting a bit of a bad mood. Now, that's all psychological. So I thought, right, I'm gonna get back in a good mood, it's all right. So I found myself a stick. This is now helping me. I think it's probably more of a hindrance, but it's gonna cheer me up a little bit. I need to get in a good mood to keep cracking on. Because I meet a lot of people on these trips, they go, oh, you must be really fit to do all this cycling and that. And I'm really not, you know. I like a beer, I like a smoke. You just got to be in the right frame of mind. So yeah, that's it, positive thinking, and we're going to crack on. But just looking around now, my path has disappeared, rabbiting onto the camera. Right, let me see where I'm going. Okay. Right, out in the open now. Like that. Absolutely beautiful. Ah, back into the woods. All right, that's nice. A bit of shade. It's getting a bit hot out there. Right, I've thrown the stick away. I was doing my head in, but it did cheer me up a little bit, which is all right. So I've just come out through the fields into this little common area here, but there's all cars dotted around everywhere. So I don't know if it's like a local wild camping spot. I saw a tent pitched up there. There's a car parked behind the trees over there with some kids running around. So yeah, a bit strange. It's right by the road. It's definitely not a campsite, but yeah, a bit of a puzzler. So yeah, I'm stickless again, but feeling a better mood. Right, let's keep on walking. Okay, right, welcome to the church in the woods. So I just got talking to this old guy who walked past me, and he told me to come and check it out. Yeah, built in 1883 out of corrugated iron sheets for the local commoners, he said, and gypsy workers. Not sure if that's the correct term for today, but yeah, hasn't been changed in wow, 130 years. And doing a quick bit of maths, so yeah, no power, but they still hold services here twice a month. So yeah, nice little detour. The church in the woods. This is cool around here. Like a little secret woods. I like it. Where am I going? I just had a little check on the maps. 5k to go, so we're getting there. It's just been a labyrinth of footpaths through these forests and fields. It's been awesome, but it's difficult to keep track of where you're going. A few wrong turns, had to check the map a few times. But yeah, I think I know where I'm going now. So, straight up, past that house, we hit a road, right, left, then through some more forests, and then I should be there. So, feeling good. All right. Right. I've had a bit of a march on the last couple of kilometres. I need to sit down, sweating up, but almost there. I think I found a little shortcut as well. So sit here, have some water, and then push on last bit. But it's beautiful, but yeah, I'm tired, I'm ready to get there. This is my little shortcut. I've deviated from the route on the map. It's a little road route, it's still pretty cool. This should take me straight to the hotel, or to the pub at least. All right, looks like I've got one last hill up there. We should be done. We made it. Happy, big smile. All right, that was tougher than I thought today. It was a bit of a long one. All right, I'm here now. Let's find reception. Give it a pint, check in, and chill out. All right, that's me done for the day. All right, let's have a look. Oh, bed, sweet bed. Phone made it.